Here at the post office, the van showed up, and now there's another delivery missing. It's to lock the door. And this delivery came. It disappeared and now reappeared. They said it was sent back and now it's here. So what do I do?
You're just gonna have to wait for it. Maybe it'll pop up.
Wow, it's kind of strange. I never had this.
Your fan, I thought it was returned because I saw a big fan.
I never had this happen to me. It's getting strange.
But the big fan, it was a fan bigger than that one. It wasn't that type of fan.
All right, so come back tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah.
All right.
I can see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I always assumed that she was the one that they paid, because I remember there was another worker there who had been there for many years, and I pretty much didn't think she would ever do anything to compromise her job and her reputation. After she was replaced by this lady, after some little bit strange things. Unless I have somebody else, but I don't think so. It's her. I think she's the one that's been being corrupted, paid. She replaced the honest lady, the original lady. So now what it's going to do, it's going to show up. And if it doesn't, well, let's see what